Okay, exercise number 4, it says complete. They're asking us, what did we do to this fraction to turn it into that? Okay, well, this one's pretty easy. So I'm not going to make it harder than I need to make it. What do you think I ought to do here, Jordan?
Get the second fraction multiplied in y.
Okay, so here's what Jordan has said. Jordan says we started off here, and then we changed this fraction to this other fraction on the right. I'm going to factor this on the bottom. I see that y goes into both of them, and it leaves me with 4 minus y. Right? Now Jordan already saw that what he did was he just multiplied in a y to get the new denominator, and that's fine. But now it's clear I can see it, right? How did this denominator become that denominator? We multiplied it by y. Okay? That means we need to multiply the numerator by y. The only thing this question is asking is what goes on the top of this right denominator? And it's going to be 3y. That's it. Okay? So in the answer blank at the bottom on your test, you're going to say, you could say question mark equals 3y. That's all it asks you. Turn around, please. Turn around, please. Thank you so much. All right, now, I don't like the way this thing looks in the first place. I would probably make this problem a lot harder for myself, but that's because I like to do that kind of thing. Okay? I don't like the way this fraction looks. It's in the wrong order. Okay? This is really 3 over negative y plus 4. But then I don't like that to have a negative in front of it, so I pull out a negative 1. This is 3 over negative 1 times y minus 4. Now that looks better. That looks right. Okay? If I did that on the other side, I'd get question mark over negative y squared plus 4y. I don't want that negative in there. I don't want the y in there either, so I'm going to pull out both of them. Pull out the negative y, and it leaves me with y minus 4. Okay? Now, what do I multiply the left denominator by to get the right denominator? Well, still it's y. Do you see that? The only difference between the two is y. And so I get the same answer. But I made it a lot harder for myself. I didn't need to do that. But that's the pattern we normally follow. So if you feel more comfortable just going with the normal pattern that we follow, you're still going to get the same answer. But some people saw, oh look, this just has an extra y in it. So I just multiply the top by y. Does that make sense? Is that all right? Is that clear? Okay, good. Let's look at the next one.